Welcome to section 3.2, comparing prokaryotic and eukaryotic cells. In this section, we'll examine two fundamental cell types, prokaryotic and eukaryotic, that form the basis of all living organisms. Understanding their similarities and differences is key to seeing how life functions at the microscopic level and why structure so often reflects function in biology. By the end of this lesson, you'll be able to give examples of prokaryotic and eukaryotic organisms, explain the differences between these two cell types, and describe how cell size influences cellular function and organization. Every living thing on Earth is made up of cells, but not all cells are created equal. The distinction between prokaryotic and eukaryotic cells helps biologists organize life based on complexity. These categories go beyond naming. They represent major differences in internal structure and capabilities. Prokaryotic cells, which include all bacteria and archaea, are simple, small, and ancient. They don't have a nucleus. Instead, their DNA is bundled in a central area called the nucleoid. They also lack membrane-bound organelles. Despite their simplicity, prokaryotes are remarkably successful, living in environments from icy oceans to thermal vents. Many essential processes like DNA replication, protein synthesis, and metabolism occur right in the cytoplasm without compartmentalization. Eukaryotic cells are found in animals, plants, fungi, and protists. These cells are larger and more structurally complex. They contain a nucleus surrounded by a membrane and other specialized organelles like mitochondria, endoplasmic reticulum, and chloroplasts in plant cells. These internal structures compartmentalize functions, allowing eukaryotic cells to be more efficient and perform multiple processes at the same time. Even though prokaryotic and eukaryotic cells differ, they also have important similarities. All cells have a plasma membrane that controls what goes in and out. They contain cytoplasm, which fills the interior of the cell, and ribosomes, which assemble proteins. And all cells use DNA to carry genetic information. These shared features support the idea that all life shares a common ancestor. Prokaryotic cells typically range from 0.1 to 5 micrometers in diameter, while eukaryotic cells range from 10 to 100 micrometers. That's a significant size difference, about 10 to 100 times larger. This size increase is possible because eukaryotic cells have internal membranes that help move materials efficiently and maintain compartmentalization. So, why does cell size matter? As a cell grows, its volume increases faster than its surface area. This creates a challenge because nutrients and waste must pass through a cell's surface. If the surface area is too small compared to the volume, the cell can't efficiently move materials in and out. This is why most cells remain small or develop internal membrane systems to help with transport and efficiency. To wrap up, prokaryotic cells are small and structurally simple, while eukaryotic cells are larger and more compartmentalized. Despite their differences, both types of cells share a core set of features: plasma membranes, cytoplasm, ribosomes, and DNA. The study of these basic cell types gives us insight into life's complexity and how evolution shaped life from a common foundation.